Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting the NVIDIA OpenGL Error Code 3 can be incredibly frustrating, halting your gaming or creative work immediately. This specific error typically indicates a conflict or issue with how your graphics driver communicates with the OpenGL API. It often pops up when trying to launch certain games or graphics-intensive applications, preventing them from starting. Luckily, we have some straightforward solutions that usually get things running smoothly again, helping you get back to what you love. Outdated or even corrupt graphics drivers are by far the leading culprit behind OpenGL Error Code 3. The easiest first step is to simply update your NVIDIA drivers through GeForce Experience, ensuring you have the latest stable version installed. If an update doesn't work, consider performing a clean reinstallation. This process completely removes old, potentially conflicting driver files, giving you a fresh start and often resolving the issue entirely. Sometimes, the NVIDIA control panel settings themselves can inadvertently trigger OpenGL issues. A quick and effective fix is to navigate to the Manage 3D Settings section and simply restore the global settings to their defaults. This action clears any custom configurations that might be causing problems for OpenGL applications. Double-check that your dedicated NVIDIA GPU is correctly selected for the programs experiencing the error, providing them with the necessary power. Beyond drivers and control panel settings, corrupted Windows system files can sometimes be the root cause of this error. Running the built-in System File Checker, or SFC, can repair any damaged system files that might be interfering with your graphics API. If the error is only appearing with a specific game, try verifying its file integrity through the game launcher. Adjusting game launch options to force a particular OpenGL version might also help. Most users find that one of these common solutions successfully eliminates the NVIDIA OpenGL Error Code 3. Always begin by ensuring your graphics drivers are up to date or performing a clean reinstall if necessary. Don't forget to check your NVIDIA control panel settings, resetting them to default if you suspect a conflict. Finally, keep your Windows operating system fully updated, as this helps maintain overall system stability. Hopefully, your games and applications are now running perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.